guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva Gutowski, and today I have a really amazing video for you guys. I'm super excited because today I got a package, which you guys probably know the package by reading the title. And if you're sitting there watching me on your computer and you're thinking, why does this girl have the palette already? It just came out. Is that Eva? Who's this girl on my screen? What's Colourpop? Whose makeup palette? Well, the answers to those questions are, I have this package already because Ava's my sister and she sent me this package early, which I wasn't even expecting to get it, but I did know about the collaboration and I did know that she's been working on it, so I'm super excited that I got it today. And so basically what happened today is I got home from school and I was like walking up to my front door and I saw a package on the floor and it said, fragile, don't like touch or whatever, like don't move or shake around. And I was just like, I looked down at it and I kept walking into my house because I think it was for me. I wasn't expecting a package, so I kind of just kept on walking into my house, but then my dad brought in the package into my room saying that it was for me, and I still didn't know what it was. And then I saw that it said Colourpop in it, like in really tiny fine writing, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is from my sister, and this is her collaboration with Colourpop, her palette. And so I haven't opened it up yet, and I'm really anxious, and I have to go to school in like 15 minutes, but I decided to stop and film an unboxing video because I have to already go back to school, but I don't want to wait a couple more hours to open it. So I'm going to show you guys what the palette looks like and unbox it right now for you guys before I go to school. And yeah, let's get into it. I was talking really fast. Like I said, I have to leave in 15 minutes, so yeah. So today we're all gathered here for one reason and one reason only, the love of makeup. Well, I guess, or the love of my sister, or the love of me, I guess. So those three reasons, that's why we're here. So I remember back in about, I don't know what month it was, probably like, I want to say December, maybe like early December, my sister started telling me about how she was gonna have a collaboration, a makeup collaboration with the brand Colourpop, and obviously I was so happy for her and so excited to see how it turned out. And then later on that month when we were going on our New York trip together, we were like on the plane and she was showing me like a bunch of color schemes and color patterns that she was thinking about using for her palette, and so I kind of got to help in the creative process of it and help her pick some of the colors out for her palette. But since then I haven't heard anything about the palette yet and I haven't seen the final product, so I'm really excited that she got to send it to me today. And yeah, let's open it. Okay, so here's the box. I'm just gonna cover my address on it, but this is the box. It says fragile, don't, wait, what does it say? Handle with care. So we're gonna handle it with care. Ooh, wow. Okay, so when I first opened the box, there's this like black and silver kind of like confetti strings. Here, I'll show you guys. Like black and silver confetti strings. Very chic and classy, and I think it looks really nice with the black and the silver. Like 2 thumbs up on the packaging so far. And so now I'm gonna move apart the confetti and see what's underneath. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is the palette. It literally matches her clothing brand. It's so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, it says Eva Gutowski, which is my sister, and then it says It's All Wild and Colourpop. That's so cute. Like, so cute. And so definitely like a million thumbs up for the packaging again. It's so cute. It has this like, not like polka dots, but I don't know what you would call that. Like, it has almost like little like polka dots on the side all the way around, which they're not like polka dots because they're not like perfect circles, but it's definitely super cute. And yeah, I think that's what she was going for, just like to match her clothing brand and to like support like everything that she's been doing. So that's really pretty, and we're about to open it up. Good thing they spelled our name right, you know, our last name, because that would have been a mess. So I'm gonna close up this box and then I'm gonna open the palette finally. Okay. I'm so excited. Like, I honestly have no idea what it's gonna look like, so I'm super excited. I'm like scared. I don't even want to open it. Should we do it? Should we do a countdown? Okay. 3. Wait, let me do that again. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Look. That's my sister. How cute. Looking like a queen, like a stylish queen. How cute. It says Eva Gutowski Colourpop, It's All Wild, and on the back it says, I hope you enjoy my Colourpop collection, inspired by my clothing line, It's All Wild. I wanted to create something golden and glowy for the perfect adventure look. Keep it by your side and remember to stay wild. XOXO Eva. How cute! And it honestly looks like her handwriting. Like, I think they had her write it down and then, like, I don't know, printed it out, because it literally looks like her handwriting. So that's super cute. It's like a personal, like, handwritten note to anyone who gets it, and I think that's super special. How cute! How cute is this? First of all, there's more stuff than just an eyeshadow palette, which I didn't even know, so I'm really surprised by that. Second of all, it has my favorite colors, pink and blue. Pink and blue are literally my favorite colors, and she used them, so that's super cool. And it's just such pretty packaging. Like, look, it has the pink and the white and the polka dots. There's an airplane. It says Colourpop. It's all wild. This has like the ocean on it. That's super cute. I think this is also like the waves and the sand, so that's so cute. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. Okay, so now let me tell you guys what's in it, and let me see for myself too, because I don't even know. Okay, so the first thing on the side, oh, this is the shadow palette. There's so much, okay. Oh, there's more palettes. It's like multiple palettes. Oh my god, okay, wait. Okay, let me just read it. Okay, so this one down here that shows the waves is the It's All Wild Colourpop palette, and it just says eyeshadow palette. And then this one up here that's also like waves and stuff is the Vacation Mode palette. And then this is a lip bundle, which says She's a Beach Babe. How cute, that's so cute, okay. Which is like lip glosses and stuff, so that's super cool. And then this is Face Duo, which I don't really know what that means. I don't know if it's like a bronzer and like a blush, or like a highlight, so we're gonna have to open that up later and see what that is too. So this is so cute. Like, I'm so proud of my sister for doing this. Like, this is like an all-time high. Especially for me, because like I love makeup, and to see her do something like this is like so inspiring, because you know, I would love to do this in like the future sometime, so that's super cool to see my sister do it. And yeah, so that's it for right now, guys, because I actually have to go back to school right now, so I just wanted to unbox it really quick for you guys. But I will be coming back, so it'll be a couple hours for me, but it'll only be a couple seconds for you to see this palette in full action. And when I get home, I'm going to be showing you guys more of the products and what's inside the boxes, so I can't wait to look inside and see that. But I was just so eager to, you know, open the box at least before I go to school. So yeah, I'm gonna go to school right now, but I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I'm back from school and I'm ready to open this stuff up. So sorry again if I look like I've been through a tornado, but I've been through a whole day of school and this is what I look like now, so yeah, let's get into opening this stuff. Okay, so I think we should open the eyeshadow palettes first. I think. No. We should go backwards. Let's start from the top. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, it says it right there. So I was wondering what this like face duo is, and it says Mermaid Glow. So I'm guessing it's a highlighter, which is really nice because I love highlighter and I love to highlight, so I can't wait to see this one. So I guess we should start with that one. Okay, so this is the Mermaid Glow Face Duo palette, and the colors are called Golden Hour and Siren. I love golden hour. Okay, so if you don't know what golden hour is, it's basically like the time of the day when the sun is just like almost about to set, and it makes the whole sky look really golden and glowy, and like your skin literally looks perfect if you take selfies in golden hour. Here, I'll put a selfie right here of what I took during golden hour, and you can see how it just makes me look very golden and nice, and it makes your skin truly glowing. So I really love the name Golden Hour, definitely. And then there's Siren, which I don't know where she got that, but it's still pretty cool. So yeah, let's open this up. Oh, and again, the packaging on the side. We didn't see this before, but it also has this kind of polka dot pattern on the side. Oh. Wow. Okay. So I'll show you this in a second, but let's just talk about the box. Okay, so first let's talk about the packaging of this cute box. It's like a nice baby pink, and then it has these polka dots of the It's All Wild polka dots. And then literally so much detail went into this. Look at the inside of the box. It has like that ocean pattern inside the box. Like, that's so much detail. So yeah, she definitely paid attention to detail. And then here's the actual outside of the palette. And then on the back it also shows the color names. Okay, so there's one highlighter actually, which is the golden one, which makes up for the name The Golden Hour. And then there's also this blush, which is the Siren. And then as you guys can see, this also comes with a nice mirror, which is really nice because a lot of palettes these days don't come with mirrors. So it comes with a full-length mirror. So yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, this is the Mermaid Glow Highlighter and Blush Palette. And I'm actually not going to do any swatches today because I'm going to do a whole review video on me testing out the products and actually doing a full makeup look with them. So I'm going to save that for that video so that you guys can see what the products can actually do. So yeah, let's get on to the next product, which is the lip bundle. And I think it comes with 3 in here, so let's see what these are. The color names are Just Surfed, Love Bite, and Party Wave. And this lip bundle is also called She's a Beach Babe. So let's see what they look like. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, a pink. Oh, so which one's which? Okay, so already these look super pretty. There's 3 lip products and one's a gloss, and it's kind of like a shimmery gloss, and it looks really pretty in the bottle, so we'll have to see how that looks on the lips in my next video. And then the other 2 are, I believe, like liquid lipsticks, so those are really cool. So this is Just Surfed, and this is like the shimmery lip gloss, which looks so pretty in the bottle. I can't wait to try this out. And then this next one is called Love Bite, which is a pinkish mauve color. And this one's a liquid lipstick. And then this next color is called Party Wave, which I don't really know how to describe this color. It's kind of like a orangey toned, like pinkish color. I really don't know how to explain it, but it really looks like actually something I've been looking for, because I've actually been looking for a kind of brownish, orange, pink combination. So I'm also super excited to try this one out. And this one's a liquid lipstick. So yeah, these are all the 3 colors, and I can't wait to try them out. I'm sure they're gonna be so great. Once again, that was the She's a Babe lip bundle, and those were the 3 shades. And now for one of the main events, which is the eyeshadow palettes. So I'm super excited to open those up right now and see what they look like. Okay, so this first eyeshadow palette is called Vacation Mode, and it comes with 5 eyeshadows. And the names of the colors are Round Trip, Mahalo, Teeny Bikini, and Shotgun. Okay, time to open it up. So when you first open this one up, it's all black and it says It's All Wild again. And on the back it says Vacation Mode, which is the name of the palette, and then it also has the colors. So this is the first palette, and the first color is kind of like a deep plum shade, I would say, and then the second is more like a shimmery purple, and then it has one of these nice like browny, kind of a little bit orangey, like warm neutrals that would be really nice for like a transition shade. And then of course you have to have an inner corner shade, so my sister put in this white ivory kind of shimmery shade for obviously like an inner corner highlight, or maybe even a face highlight, I don't know, we'll see. I'm super excited to try this out because I'm already thinking of like different looks that I could do, day looks, night looks, and different things that I could do with this palette, so I can't wait to show you guys what I can do with this. And also this one comes with a nice big full mirror too to put on your makeup, which is really nice because like I said, a lot of palettes are going like the cheap route and like not giving you full mirrors, and it's like it's so much more like valuable if it has a mirror with it. So I think that's really nice that she added a mirror with it. And yeah, this is the first palette. Let's see what the second one has. So this is the second palette, which is the It's All Wild palette. And the packaging is also obviously super cute with this overhead look of the ocean and this little surfer girl in the corner. That's super cute. And it just says It's All Wild again on it. And the color names are Passport, Tan Line, Bonfire, and Malibu, and those are really cute. So this one is also black when you first open it, which just looks really sleek and nice and put together. And then let's open it up. Okay, so this is the second eyeshadow palette, which is the It's All Wild palette. This palette has a lot of warm and like neutral colors, which is really nice if you're starting off at makeup because you can do really simple and basic natural looks, and then you can also do like super extreme looks with them too. So the first color in the palette is this nice shimmery gold color, and then there's also this brownish kind of almost a little bit orange shade for like a transition shade, and then we have this more deeper like brown kind of like chocolatey color in the palette. And then to finish off the palette we have this really nice like burnt orange shade, which I think would be really nice like maybe like right underneath the eyes or like the outer corner. And I'm really excited to use this palette later on in the week. And yeah, this is the second palette. Okay guys, so those are all the products in my sister's It's All Wild Colourpop collection. I hope you guys liked this video, and I definitely had so much fun unboxing my sister's products. And like I said, this is really cool to see her do because, you know, I love makeup and I do makeup on my channel, and it's just really cool to see her have her own palette now. And really my first like PR package from a makeup line was for my own sister, which not a lot of people can say, so I think that's really cool. And I'm truly really blessed to see her do all these cool things and kind of like, you know, look up to her as a role model. So I want to say a huge thank you obviously to my sister for sending me her collaboration with Colourpop. And yeah, I'm super proud of you, sis, and I love you. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, like I said, later on this week I'll be posting a full review and makeup look of me trying this collection, and I'm super excited for you guys to see what I do with it. So definitely, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I make new videos every week and I'm always posting something new. And yeah, I would love to have you guys join the Gutowski family. Make sure to comment down below if you guys are super excited for this launch, and also comment down below some more nice things. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up to let me know, and also to support me and my sister. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.